E ciao a tutti amici, io sono Franco Aversa.
Hello everyone, I am Franco of Aversa. It's easy to be fast and precise in video editing when we've known the editing software for years. However, it becomes more challenging for beginners or those who have recently started using a program with numerous options, menus, and effects. So, stay with me because today I'll help you save time and money. I'm talking about editing in DaVinci Resolve, but how do we do it? How can we be faster with hundreds of possibilities and quickly repeat those tedious operations that require opening multiple panels and setting values, etc.?
Ci vorrebbe qualcuno che le facesse per noi.
We need someone to do it for us. And that's where Magic Automa comes in. It's a plugin that allows you to automate all these processes through macros. What does Magic Automa do, and how? Let's dive into DaVinci Resolve with the Magic Automa for DaVinci Resolve window open. As we edit our fashion show video, you can see tabs in Magic Automa which we can create ourselves. I, for example, created this Fusion tab. In each tab, we can use existing macros or create new ones. Let's see how it works. For example, I need to slow down this footage. I simply select the clip, go to speed 50 ripple, note that macro names can be modified, and click this button. As you can see, Magic Automa has done it all for me with a simple click. Now, let's see, and our clip will be slowed down with a simple click. Next, I want to color this clip yellow, so I go to Color Clip Yellow. I click, and Magic Automa does it all for me. Now, I want to apply a matte, so I go to the color page and click on this matte, for example. As you've seen, Magic Automa has done it all for me, even changing the DaVinci Resolve page automatically. But we can also perform simple operations, like adding a node with auto color. And as you can see, Magic Automa has added this node. Here, I want to quickly apply a zoom, so I click here on the edit page, and it zooms in. Of course, all these actions are not only preset but can also be customized endlessly. These macros involve not just one action but a set of completely different actions. Now I'm editing the audio, I go to the audio part, select my clip and want to normalize it. In an instant, boom, I have my normalization. Still in editing, I can apply dynamic zoom with lazy in. I can apply any effect with just a press of a button. As you can see in this case, I applied multiple effects by adding a blur and then a custom color. I can also apply cropping. For example, I created a binocular effect that is applied. I'll show you how, by highlighting all the clips, I can set a duration by pressing a key, and they are all resized, for example, to 3 seconds. Very useful for creating slideshows. But these are perhaps simple examples. For instance, look at what I did in Fusion. I customized the insertion of different nodes that connect together. So, you understand you can invent whatever you want. I came up with this macro, for example, to change the font. I needed to change the font on 100 clips. I click a button, and it changes the font on all the clips. How do we give a command to Magic Automa? This is the beauty because we don't necessarily have to come here and click a button. At the moment, it applied optical flow with stabilization. But we can set a shortcut in macro creation or later on, as you can see, set a shortcut. This table shows the shortcuts used in DaVinci, including the ones we modified. Unassigned keys are highlighted in light blue. This means I can assign the F4 key, for example. Now, I won't need the foreground window anymore, you just press the shortcut, and the effect will be applied. And if I'm so lazy that I don't want to press a button, I can activate voice command. In this macro panel, I write binocular, because it's the word I want to activate my voice command. I go to this voice control checkbox and have a word to activate the voice command. With a keyword, I activate the voice command to avoid activating it accidentally. So, I'll enable this, I can make this window disappear again and say a magic binocular. As you can see, the command started automatically. Is this not enough for you? Do you want another option? Well, Magic Automa is compatible with Stream Deck. You just need to download the plugin and add your Magic Automa buttons with any name and icon you want. There are already many ready-made with Magic Automa. But I wanted to have fun and create my own for the binocular effect. And now I want to apply it to this clip by simply pressing a key on my Stream Deck. Magic, guys! And do you think it ends here? There's the option to send commands to a tablet or phone that you'll organize in this area. Configure and test your connection if needed. Voila, you'll have all the commands of your Magic Automa on your mobile or tablet. Would you like another great idea? Purchase a Windows-compatible touch monitor on which to display the Magic Automa window.
La finestra di Magic Automa. Penso si sia capito che con...
I think we have understood that with Magic Automa, we can customize any operation in DaVinci, and the creation of macros is simple and guided because Magic Automa interfaces with your panels. For example, in the edit page, if we want to create an effect, as you can see, we can find an explanation with a video and we can go and say what type of effect we want to use, the name of the effect, and activate or just search for this effect, then will not be applied or apply it. I'm going to save and give a name to my macro. For example, I want to simply call it VHS. I'm going to customize the command with a shortcut or voice commands or whatever and apply it. And now I will always have it ready here, and when I go to select the clip I will go to press for automatic application of the effect. This is just an example, then I can go and insert the transitions too. Transitions can obviously also be applied to multiple clips and many other things. But we will see these in specific tutorials. Consider that the program is very complete and also includes multiple workspaces that can be saved and exported, so it will be possible to restore the initial configuration. You can load the initial workspace, but you can have more of your own, and you can also share macros with friends. The macros can be made up of many different commands. Even in this there is a whole guide that helps you. In the command, as you can see, everything will open specific panels that will guide you. In short, you can use it in a simple way by pressing a few keys, or in a very complex way by entering in all the possibilities available. The software is so well structured that it also includes movable keys to be able to go back and forth on the timeline. So you can create macros on Stream Decks, for example, without using third-party plugins. The buttons can be customized by changing the color of the button or by changing the icon, choosing from the many proposals, or loading one of our own design, and without jumping between one window and another. You will have the possibility of inserting favorites on this second window, which can be done appear or close, and then insert my binocular effect as preferred, but also an effect on the color. And in this way you will have your commands available more easily and quickly. The program is available in 4 languages. From the menu you can also go directly to the official website, and out of curiosity I tell you that there is another version, the blue version, which is used to automate other software, and the version we are talking about, which is the red version dedicated to DaVinci Resolve. Magic Automaton you will no longer be able to do without it. The price of the software is €49, but hold on tight because there is Black Friday, and also for all the subscribers to my channel. If you are not subscribed, sign up now, because with the link you find in the description of this video you will be able to get a further discount and purchase Magic Automa at €19.50, but hurry because the offer only lasts for a week, then don't come and say that the price has increased. Hurry up! We will also return with the company to talk about this software, to delve deeper into the things that I have now shown you in a superficial way. Well, all I have to do is thank you and meet you for a next video tutorial with Magic Automaton, and I'll go click a few buttons to edit. Bye bye.
Ciao!